Hey everyone, welcome back to MULE Products. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to install the MULE Garage Fan. Once you open the box, you'll see that most of the fan is already assembled. However, there are a few parts that need to be installed. So go ahead and take everything out of the box and make sure you have all of the parts. So out of the box, make sure that you have the fan, the canopy, the adapter cover, 2 down rods, and cable management clips. This fan comes with 2 down rods, a 6-inch down rod and a 12-inch down rod. If you want the fan closer to the ceiling, use the 6-inch down rod. If you want the fan to hang a little lower, use the 12-inch down rod. This is optional, you only need 1. Now we want to remove the hanger bracket from the canopy. To do that, remove the 2 screws on each side, and then the hanger bracket will come out, and then we can install that on the ceiling. Before we mount the bracket to the ceiling, be sure to remove the 2 set screws that are on both sides of the bracket. The MULE Garage Fan is designed to mount anywhere on the ceiling. All you need is the bracket, the 2 wood screws that come in the hardware pack. Find any joist and screw these 2 wood screws into the joist. This fan is equipped with an optional safety cable. If you would like to install the fan using the safety cable, refer to the owner's manual. If not, you can simply remove it at this point. Next, you need to remove the screws on the yoke arm that hold down the adapter cover. From there, take your down rod, canopy, put the down rod in the canopy, take the adapter cover, put it in this way, and then we can take the down rod and screw it into the yoke. Then take the down rod pin, put it through the down rod, take the cotter pin, and lock the down rod pin in place. Now you need to screw down the adapter cover. Now you can take your fan and you can slide it into the hanger bracket. Next, you need to install the set screw into the middle of the hanger bracket. Next, you need to secure the canopy to the bracket with the 4 screws provided. This fan comes with 6 optional cable management clips that you can use to take the slack out of your cable. To power your fan, plug it into any standard outlet. This can be on the ceiling or on the wall. If your fan comes with a remote, take the receiver, plug it into the outlet, plug the fan into the receiver, and then your remote will be working. We hope this video has been helpful in assisting you as you install your MULE Garage Fan. We hope this fan provides you with comfort for years to come. For any questions, visit us at muleproducts.com.